Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Telegram bots. So to find the Telegram bots you should, and before that maybe to understand what is a Telegram bot. So Telegram bots are like small apps inside Telegram and they do specific actions, like many type of actions. I will give you after that some examples. So to find them, there is some ways to find them. First of all, you can just go to Google and Google Telegram bots, and you will find a lot of lists of Telegram bots. And the second method to find them is just to join the channel of bot lists. It's this one, bot lists. You can just join it and they add every type of bot that you can imagine and anything new they add it and things like that. For example, I will try with you this weather bot. Just click on it. I will find for example the air bot, and it will tell you here this bot, for example, it will give you detailed weather forecasts for 10 days, text and graphs, includes temperature, cloud coverage, precipitation, wind speed and direction. We will try it. Click start. We will choose English. As you can see, it's working as a small app inside your Telegram. So we will click new to add new location. I will send him the city name Sfax. Let's send it. It's processing and it's added. Now let's see. Okay, let's type F, so it will give us the forecast, and as you can see it gave us the forecast or the weather of Sfax in the next 10 days. So this is what bots can do. So this is the second method that you can find bots with it. And the third one is just to do normal search, for example, and this one is the most hard one. For example, I will type football and you need to check, for example, and you need here to know if you are joining a bot or group or whatever thing you are joining. So the best methods to join a bot is just to Google it like I did, or by joining bot lists, and you will find all the bots. For example, in that bot list they have 1868 bots, and for sure you will find some bots that you will enjoy. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.